Um, Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, I guess. Most of you are probably coming from my TikTok or my Instagram. If not, I don't know how you got here. But I'm gonna make my first video restyling my chiaki. As you can see, I already started it. But basically, yeah, I'm just gonna film myself styling it and then give you the steps as I go. As a way to preface this, I've already styled this twice before, and when I did it, I just teased it and hairsprayed it. But I'm trying like a crimping method, except I don't have a crimper, so I'm braiding it this time. You'll see as I show you. The things I'm using to style this wig are, 1, the wig, obviously, which I got on Amazon. I'll try to find the link if I can, and if I find it, it'll be in the description. I'm using Got To Be Glued hairspray that I totally didn't steal from my friend. This blow dryer, and then this iron. I don't know where the iron or blow dryer came from because they were birthday presents. Also, sorry about any background noise, that's my brother. And sorry for the bad quality, I'm filming this on my laptop. Okay, the first step was brushing it out. I forgot to show that I'm using a brush, but brushing it out, which I already did, so brush out your wig. And I sectioned out the long pieces that I have in the front of my wig. So yeah, and then section out anything you don't want to be messing with yet. That's your second step. The third step is to start doing little braids that you'll iron and it'll make like a crimping effect. But if you have a crimper, just use that. Don't do all these extra steps. So I'm going to go and like braid this front section so I can show you easier. 2 quick notes. If you're doing the braiding method because you don't have a crimper or just don't want to use a crimper, then you want to make sure that the braids are like tight, and it's also very time consuming. So yeah. Okay, so I have this front part done, so now I can show you how I do like the flat ironing and stuff. Here, let me try to get a good angle. This is the best I could get, because like I said, I'm using my iPad. Not iPad, computer. I used to film on my iPad. So basically you want to take the braid and just hold it down for a sec, slowly moving down the braid. Applying pressure, obviously, because you're using an iron. Please be careful, because these do get hot. And the wig can also get hot if you braid it for too long. And then I just run mine down again and then do that. And be careful because the wig hairs could very easily be hot. And then you want to just let it cool for a sec so it doesn't burn and unbraid it. I'm going to let it cool down for a second, then I'll continue. Okay, I went through and ironed them all while I was waiting for this to cool down. But then you want to just undo the braid. So I'm having some difficulties here. You want to undo the braid here. Once you have it undone, it'll look kind of like this. And you want to just take your hairspray and spray it, and then immediately after spraying it, take your blow dryer and blow dry it. The reason you blow dry it is to get the hairspray to set in, and you'll feel that the hairspray is like dry, and then you can just brush it out. Once it's brushed out, it'll look like this, and it's nice and fluffy. And then then you just continue doing that all around your wig. Okay, there. Once you're all done with all of your braids, you can like start to style it into like spikes and stuff, which for me I'm just gonna style it so it like curls up a little bit. Which I'll show you how to do in a sec. Okay, so how I'm doing is I'm gonna just like hold it up like that, so it's like at a curve, and then hairspray it. So yeah. And then the key here, you gotta say that if you just drop it now, it probably won't hold that well. So you wanna take it, right, once you have it nice coat of hairspray on it. I'm probably using too much, if I'm gonna be honest. And then you wanna use a blow dryer to like set the hairspray in place. I went on and I did this next one, and I did the same thing, so now there's the two. And then you just want to continue around your whole wig. Okay, so I'm too lazy to style the back right now, but I finished both the front and let out the long pieces. So yeah, this should be about, well, this is my final result. Whatever you might have done different would be different, obviously. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. How do people end videos? Well, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.